Okay, welcome to JavaScript class. Uh, JavaScript is very interesting and at the same time, it is challenging. So we need to dedicate more time to it, practice on time so that we can ask questions on time before we move to the next one. Please don't try to pile up work. It's not going to help you. So we are not new with Trebedit, so we want to start with opening our workspace. I've created a new project to be JavaScript class. So when I open the project, I'm going to be creating two files now. So the first one is our HTML file. So I can just name it index.html. Then the second one is going to be our JavaScript file. So that is going to be script, anything you like, .js. It must have this extension JS. Why HTML must have extension HTML and CSS extension CSS. Okay, now we want to connect our JavaScript to our index.html. So let me open a snippet. Okay, so now we have two ways in which we can connect JavaScript to HTML. It's either we connect it inside the head or we connect it inside the body, but the professional one that is current is connecting it inside the body element. But you need to note that it is going to be the last thing inside that body element. Like every code you want to write inside HTML must form up why this connection source that we're going to put here now we should be the last thing, at least the last thing that after reaching it, the next thing we are going to see is the closing tag of our body. So we are going to say script. That's the name of the element. We say script. Then inside the opening tag of script, we are declaring different things. Like the first one, so does it all these attributes. The first one is language. So what is the language? It is JavaScript. Please note that in JavaScript there is something we call camel casing. Camel in the sense that you know how camel is used to look like that. The front will be lower, and as it is going to the back, it will be getting higher also. So in JavaScript, when you are writing 2-3 words together, like this now, Java then script, the Java will start with small letter, lowercase, while the script must start with uppercase, capital letter. If it is more than that, like let's say get element by ID, we have like 4 words there. Only the get that is starting it will start with small letter, lowercase. Or that element by ID, element will start with capital letter, by will start with capital letter, and ID will also start with capital letter. So we are still going to learn that better. Why? So let's continue. So now another thing is type. So what is the type that we're going to have here? So it's going to be text slash JavaScript. Don't forget how we write our JavaScript. Capital letter for the script. Start getting used to it. So language JavaScript, type text JavaScript, then our source now. So we're going to put the source src what is this src source. So what is our source now? Script dot js. So it must have this extension of js. Okay, now let us say we are not going to say anything here because we've not declared anything inside our JavaScript file and nothing is inside our HTML. So let's open our JavaScript now. No, okay, this is not the JavaScript. Okay, let me open this JavaScript. Okay, so this is the new JavaScript now. Let me just think of something I can quickly write, and let's go and check. Okay, let's use alert. So when you have alert, then you use these normal brackets, and what can I put in there? Let me put a string. Don't worry, you're still going to understand all of this. So this is just for us to check if our JavaScript has been connected with our HTML. So let's say hello, the queen of wealth. Okay, exclamation. So this is an alert. Don't worry, we're still going to learn everything. Let's play it. Then where's the HTML? Okay, it's there. Okay, why is my phone doing this rubbish? It's just a for Deloria. So let me open my HTML now, and then come here to view. I'm sorry, it's taking time to load. I have to delete some junks on my phone. Aha. So see this, that is what I wrote there now, that it is displaying this. So this is the alert. This page says hello, the queen of wealth. So even though I don't think I wrote it very well, it's supposed to be hello. So whatever, this is how we get to know. So you wrote something in JavaScript and you're able to view it inside your index.html, and it shows they are now connected. So this page says hello, the queen of web. Right, see you in the next class. Bye.